For 34, I want to apply that 1/3 power to all of them. So that's going to be 125 to the 1/3, x to the 9/3, y to the 6/3. And then I need to simplify. So 125 to the 1/3, that's the same thing as saying the cubed root of 125. The x will reduce to x to the 3, the y will reduce to y squared, and then the cubed root of 125 is 5. So that's going to be my final answer. With 35, I want to subtract my exponents, but I want to have the same denominator. So the LCD of 4 and 5 is 20. So I can build up the top fraction to be x to the 5/20, and the bottom fraction to be x to the 12/20. And then I'm going to subtract them. So it's going to be 1 over x to the 7/20. And then that would be my final answer.